If you are an artist, band, or indie label sitting on fresh vinyl pressings but struggling to bundle them with digital downloads, stop scrolling. Just imagine, your fan orders the vinyl because they love that warmth, analog sound, and the cool artwork. The moment the payment goes through, boom, they get every track downloaded to their phone in seconds. They can listen while the record's on the way. They feel like a VIP. You get bigger orders, fewer people leaving the cart, and honestly, happier fans who come back for more. Indie creators using a combo like this and often see sales jump 30 to 50%. Now, the big question, how do we actually make this happen without turning your site into a slow mess? Okay, let's say you're an artist who just got 200 copies of your debut album pressed. Here's how I turn it into a killer vinyl plus instant digital combo using FluentCart on WordPress. As you can see, here is my running online store powered by FluentCart, buzzing with products. It's lightweight, won't slow your site down like some other tools. So from the FluentCart dashboard, let's go to products. And here's the ad products. Let's click on it and give it a name like My Debut Album, Vinyl plus Digital Combo. Now, here's the cool part. FluentCart supports hybrid products, meaning one listing can handle both physical vinyl and digital downloads together. You don't need separate products or weird walkarounds. Let's go ahead and write a clear, long, and short description. I'll upload the pictures of the product as well. Now, this is important. I'll stick with simple variations because this product includes both digital and physical items, and each variant has a different price. Let's set up the pricing for the digital vinyl, $12, and compare the price with $15. After clicking the pencil icon, a sidebar appears where you can configure the pricing for that specific version. Each variation can be set as either a one-time or subscription payment. Okay, now I will upload an image for this unique variation, so customers understand which one they're buying. The same way, I will set the rest of the pricing. While I'm doing that, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more contents like this. Anyway, this section helps to organize and tag the product using WordPress taxonomies for better filtering and presentation of the storefront. I have created it earlier, but don't worry, you can create this right from here. Now, the physical vinyl side. Let's add the inventory. In this case, I will add 200 units, so it automatically stops selling when the product's sold out, so no more overselling drama. Uploading digital files is easy peasy. Choose a variant and upload the album files. Zipped MP3s at 320 kbps. If you want, you can go with high quality FLACs. Or you can use direct upload or connect to AWS S3 so big files don't bog down your server. The best part is the customer will download the file instantly after they purchase, and even the secure download link will be emailed right after purchase. Done. One side covered. Shipping made simple. We are selling in a global marketplace, so orders can come from anywhere in the world. That's why setting up shipping zones is crucial. I already have a separate video on WP Manage Ninja that walks through this in detail. You can check it out anytime. Okay, so since the product includes fragile items, I'll select the fragile shipping class. FluentCart handles taxes automatically. So I already set it up before, so let's just select the class. FluentCart keeps it clean. Now let's see what the customer experience looks like. So this is my store front end, and here's the product I'm selling. A customer comes in, chooses their preferred variant, and then clicks Buy Now. And the best part? They're taken straight to the checkout page, no extra steps. From here, they just enter their details, choose a payment method from the available options, and place the order. Payment clears, instant digital download, order shows in your dashboard with inventory reduced, and shipping details ready. You pack the vinyl, print a label, and ship it. Your fan gets the music on their phone. More sales, less stress. That's the dream, right? Later on, you can also use FluentCart's built-in order bump feature. It lets you show a last-minute add-on offer right on the checkout page, so customers can add one more item before they pay. It's a simple way to boost your average order value, often by 10 to 30%. If this just lit a fire under your next release, drop Vinyl Bundle in the comments. I want to know who's building one. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more WordPress wins that actually save your time. FluentCart link is right in the description. Go set up your combo today. Peace out, legends. Keep creating, keep shipping. Catch you in the next one.